Today I am trying something brand new and making my own crepes. I found a recipe on BuzzFeed's Tasty. I can link that in the description below. And I'm hoping that they turn out light, airy, and fluffy, just like a crepe should be, and make for a delicious brunch. So I'm going to give it that old college try. Let's see how it goes. What you'll need is half a teaspoon of sugar and salt, half a cup of flour, 2 eggs. Maybe I should have used a bigger bowl. 2 tablespoons of butter. I don't know if it matters if the butter is hot or not, but I just put it in the microwave. We still got lumps, And 2/3 cup of milk. Oh, that's a lot of milk. We're gonna whisk that together and hopefully come up with this nice smooth batter. Oh yeah, there we go. It's falling off. There's no chunks in there anymore. I recommend adding the milk slowly, one, because that's what the video said, but also so that the batter doesn't become too liquidy. Nice consistency. They recommend putting it into a measuring cup so that it's easier to pour out. They didn't specify a temperature, but I'm guessing it's similar to a pancake. So I'm gonna heat the griddle, put the batter in, and wait till it kind of bubbles, then flip it. This was my first time doing crepes. I have no idea how much to put in there, so I just guesstimated. Again, this is all just a trial and error process. I waited a little bit, and once I noticed the edges started to brown, I tried to flip it. Or I tried to at least get my spatula underneath it. Does it just come out? No? Is it stuck? Are you stuck? Flipping it was quite a challenge. Trying to figure that out was a task of its own. Okay, promising. Okay, look, yeah, sorta. That kind of looks like a crepe. Round 2. Maybe I put too much batter in. If anything, this is a learning experience for everyone, including you and I. I'm glad I can make mistakes so you can learn from them. Okay, edges are browning. Does that mean flip? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that! Oh my goodness. That looks really good. I wish I could do that flip move. That'd be cool. But I am not there yet. I said I wanted them thin, right? I guess I could have made 2 out of that. Lesson learned. When the edges start to get brown like that, that's when you know it's ready to be flipped. Surprisingly, it's a lot easier to flip than an actual pancake. It stays together as one cohesive round mass. This one turned out nice as well. So this is the finished product. I think they turned out pretty well. My first one I did was a little light, but still turned out really well. I think my second one is the best. Thin, just like I want it. And then I got a little anxious on the pouring, and I think I poured too much, and this became a little too thick. But I think it's still good. Still good. I got some strawberries and some healthier Nutella spread. I'm going to now make deliciousness. I can say this was a definite success. It was delicious. I put hazelnut spread in some of the crepes and just fruit in others, and they were both equally delicious. This is really good. I am very proud of myself for making the crepes from scratch. It was super easy and really convenient. I could put whatever I want in it and make the crepes however thin or thick I wanted. It was definitely a learning process, but I think the more I do it, the better I'll be, like with anything. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to make crepes on your own. So good luck and bon appetit!